In this video, I'm going to show you how to create auto captions in Premiere Pro. To do this, you got to make sure that you have the official version of Premiere Pro. Otherwise, this is not going to work. So the first thing you got to do is select the clip on the timeline from which you want to generate the captions from. And then hover on the top left hand side and select text. If you don't see this option, simply go to Window and make sure that text is enabled. From here, go to Captions and then click on Create Captions from Transcript. After you click that, this window is gonna appear. From here, you'll be able to customize your captions length and duration of your captions. I'm gonna keep it just the way it is and then click on Transcribe and Create Captions. After that, Premiere Pro gonna do its work. It's gonna take a few seconds to a minute depending on the length of your video. As you can see, the captions are now created. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.